What is Climax? So, Climax is going to be the most action part of your book or movie. And it doesn't mean action like fighting or anything like that. It can also just mean this is where it leads up to the falling action. This is where all the conflict is at its heightened spot. Rather, right in Iron Man, you have Tony Stark getting the thing, his arc in his chest ripped out and left for dead until he is able to come back. That leads up to the climax because guess what? Right after that, you have that big battle with Obadiah Stane. And Tony Stark, and that is the climax. That one actually has action, right? The fighting and stuff, but it also shows that this is where everything is kind of going to come to a conclusion with all the problems that he's facing, which is the Seven Rings, where Obadiah Stane took care of all of them, but now it's just this guy trying to kill Tony Stark and take over his company, and you have this big action scene, and that is what will lead to the falling action, which, quick hint, resolves all the conflict.